Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is t divided by 5 multiplied by t divided by 5 is equals to 5 divided by t times 5 divided by t. So we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first you see that this t is multiplied by t and it will be written as t square divided by, here we have 5 multiplied by 5 is also becomes 5 square, and this is equals to, in the same pattern we multiply 5 with 5 and we get 5 square, and when we multiply t with t we get here t square. And further in the next step here we need to cross multiply the terms, and when we cross multiply the terms we multiply this t square with this t square, and it will be written as t square multiplied by t square is equals to, and we multiply 5 square with this 5 square and we obtain 5 square times of 5 square. And further in the next step you see that bases on both of these two terms are same, so we need to add its exponents, and when we add these two exponents it will be written as t to the power of 4 is equals to, in the same pattern here again you see that the bases are same, and we add its exponents and we get 2 plus 2 becomes here 4. And now in the next step we move the term 5 to the power of 4 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as t to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to rewrite this equation as this is t to the power of 4, and we write it as t square and its whole square minus this is 5 to the power of 4 and we write it as 5 square and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we use the nice algebraic formula to solve this equation. So for this we use this nice formula, you know about that. If we have x square minus y square is equals to x minus y times of x plus y, and you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So we just substitute the values of x and y into the right hand side of the below formula, and according to this formula we write our above equation as in this form. The first factor is x minus y. The value of x is t square minus 5 square into the second factor is x plus y, and we write it as t square plus 5 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t square minus 5 square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write t square plus 5 square and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we again use the above formula, and according to this formula we write these terms as this is t minus 5 times of t plus 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So first we solve this case, and here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t minus 5 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write t plus 5 is equals to 0. So from here we get the value of t is equals to 5. This is the first real root of the given equation, and from here we move plus 5 to the right hand side and it will be written as minus 5. So here we get this is the second real root of the given equation. So these are the two roots which we get here, and now in order to find the other roots we need to solve the second case. So here we move plus 5 square to the right hand side and it will be written as t square is equals to minus 5 square. And here our target is to find the values of t. So for this we need to remove this square sign from here, and when we remove square sign it means that we apply square root on both of the sides. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get t is equals to, here we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as a square root of 5 square into square root of minus 1. These 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here t is equals to 5 times of, we know about that a square root of minus 1 becomes iota. So here we apply square root on both of the sides, so that we write here plus minus sign into the right hand side. So finally we will obtain there are four roots of the given equation, and these four roots are plus minus 5 and plus minus 5 iota. So these are the four roots which we get here in this method. And now in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down the given question statement here. It is t divided by 5 times t divided by 5 is equals to 5 divided by t times 5 divided by t. And now in this side we will be verify t is equals to plus minus 5, and in this side we will be verify t is equals to plus minus 5 iota. So we need to verify all these four roots of the given equation. And now first we need to verify t is equals to plus minus 5, so we substitute this value on both of the sides. But now first we rewrite this equation as this is t times t becomes t square divided by 5 square is equals to 5 square divided by t square. And now we are ready to substitute the values of t on both of the sides, and when you put this value here it will be written as plus minus 5 whole square then divided by 5 square is equals to this is 5 square divided by t square. The value of t in this case is plus minus 5 square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you know about that when we apply the square on plus minus sign, so the square of positive or negative term become positive. So both of these two values written as 5 square divided by 5 square is equals to 5 square divided by 5 square. So in the next step here you see that this and this are gone, this and this are also gone, and we get here 1 is equals to 1. This shows that the value t is equals to plus minus 5 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we need to verify these two complex values of t. So when you put these values in this equation it will be written as plus minus 5 iota whole square divided by 5 square is equals to 5 square divided by plus minus 5 iota and its whole square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as here you see that the square of plus and minus becomes positive, and we have 5 square. This is iota square, and we know that iota square becomes minus 1, and it is divided by 5 square is equals to this is 5 square divided by the square of plus and minus becomes plus, and we get 5 square, and this is our iota square. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this 5 square and this 5 square are gone, and we get here minus 1 is equals to this 5 square and this 5 square are also gone, and we get here 1 over iota square becomes minus 1. And here we easily get minus 1 is equals to minus 1. This shows that again both of the sides are equal. It means that all four roots of the given equation are satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is t is equals to plus minus 5 and plus minus 5 iota. So these are the four roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.